Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, with it being fall and pumpkin season, I wanted to show you guys how to make some pumpkin seeds, but not everyday pumpkin seeds, the normal ones you guys usually see or make. These are going to be everything but the bagel pumpkin seeds. They are absolutely delicious. I was messing around with a recipe last fall and they came up with these, so I thought I would show it to you guys for today. So you're going to need to gut a pumpkin, okay, rinse them, and then dry them really good. Super simple. You're gonna need some olive oil, and you're gonna need, of course, your everything but the bagel seasoning, and that's it. Okay guys, so before we get started, go ahead and preheat your oven. I've already preheated mine to 350 degrees. We're gonna be baking these probably about 10-15 minutes, but we're gonna toss them halfway, okay? You just want them to be a nice golden brown. So all you're gonna do is add your olive oil. And of course I will have the measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys, as always. Mix the oil around on the seeds, because you want all the seeds to be coated. And then go ahead and take your everything but the bagel seasoning, sprinkle that on there as well. Mix that around. Like I said, make sure it's coated really good with everything. The oil and the seasoning. And I'm telling you what guys, these are going to be amazing. Such a great combination. I love everything but the bagel seasoning. I put it on my avocado toast. I put it on everything. I put it on my turkey sandwiches. So good. Okay. So just make sure that's good and incorporated, and then just go ahead and put it on your baking sheet, like so. And then just go ahead and spread them. Spread the love. Oops, lost one. So just kind of, you know, flatten them out evenly, as best as you can. Alright, into the oven, again 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. I will bring you guys back when they're done. Okay guys, so these baked for exactly 15 minutes. And I went ahead and tossed them midway. It smells amazing in the house. As you can see, they're a nice light golden brown. That's what you want. Super easy, but they're really delicious, guys. I hope you try this recipe. I'm going to try one, even though I know I'm going to burn myself. So good, guys. If you love everything but the bagel seasoning, you guys are going to really love these. And if you like pumpkin seeds, win-win. Let me know if you make them. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. With that, I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.